depend on the things which comes in your mind. Like if you are happy, then you are really excited to do all the things in a very calm way and in a very
Yes,
proper
yes.
appropriate way. It depends on the house atmosphere
Yes,
and
yes.
the things
Definitely.
which is going around. Okay,
Yes.
so whenever that I want to become I want to go there on this level in my post, so he suggested me few points that you are already seen a few people's they don't like if you are like going in a very good way and you are doing very good at your job, so people try to criticize you. Told me that you are doing this things which already stopped from everywhere. Like we used to, like he told me that he used to do this thing before 10 year ago. That thought
Like
poured
so,
my heart. Like
okay, like
yes,
any software. Yeah, you work any
yes, yes,
software that is use
yeah.
an. Yes, yes.
Then I went to the YouTube and I went and I searched the thing what he was telling me, and I tried to learn this thing. And I on the team viewer. I'll tell you. Then I said okay, and I disconnected my phone. Then I went to the YouTube and I learned how to like upload
Yes,
this
yes.
thing and do this thing so that I can save my time. And you know, I tried a lot. 4 5 hours I wasted. Whenever yourself as a Jhansi ki Rani. So I thought that he is not happy with me because I want to make my work like a like I don't
But I think we can't change another people. We change only ourselves. That's
yes
I think.
want to teach anything to others. If you will
Yes,
teach
yes.
anything to other, your work will easy.
Yes, yes.
Suppose you are the trick what I used. I'm not hiding anything, but he
Yes, yes.
didn't understand.
Very good morning.
Good morning. How are you, Lalita?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. What's about you?
Yeah, I am also terrific.
Okay, okay, amazing. So,
Yes.
how's life treating you? Yeah.
My life is treating very well. Actually, nowadays I am, you know very well about me, so there is no need to give any introduction. We
Yes,
are
yes.
just here to do regular practices.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why we are we try to meet regularly or once in a week or like that. So nowadays I am little bit busy. Actually, the thing is that my daughter is in 12th standard and I'm right now I'm searching a college for her where I need to enroll her. Actually she is taking CLAT classes and now she
First,
want to become an advocate or lawyer, you can say, because I don't properly knowledge about lawyer and advocacy. So she want to like become an advocate or lawyer. So here I am searching few colleges which is nearby me or which is really you can say in the terms of financial, I can manage easily their expenses. So I am searching their fee structure and atmosphere. And even though I am planning to go there so that I can meet few students, they can give the proper response about their colleges. And you know, I have asked so many peoples. They were saying about to actually she has to do hard struggle for her study, and she is a average student, but she loved to read legal subjects. So she has totally immersed herself into this subject. So I have few things in my mind. Like she is not that much studious, but she want to become an advocate. So that's why she is taking 100%
yes,
in her
yes.
subject. So I was thinking that I should check properly the colleges, how they are working and what is the faculty status and what are the student status. And you know, the most of the thing we have to focus on both part, like where is the college, it should be nearby me, and the approx budget, could be handled easily by me, and I can get proper exposure from that college. Because if you are going in the college, there will be no teacher to give the proper feedback of your student. So many students will take the classes in one time, and these are the things, like we have to appreciate our school teachers. They give the proper feedback, they have their concern about the students. They give proper alarm to us that your ward is going to do this, and the ward is doing this activity, and you have to stop, or you have to take different kind of action for your wards. So now she is going to,
College,
she
yes.
is preparing for CLAT, and she will take the admission in the college, and there will be no teacher to give the proper feedback, and the college will be
Yes,
little
yes.
bit far from me, and the school is very near to me. We can go at any time, but if you want to plan to go or visit the college after enrolling your student, enrolling your kid, that time it will be difficult. So first of all, I need to check their atmosphere and all the things which is really required. So I have just asked this question from Chat GPT, and Chat I shared each and everything to Chat GPT, that this is my budget, and which college will be suitable for my daughter, because my daughter is average student. So he suggested me three colleges which is very nearby me, and they are giving the placement facilities. So that's why I was thinking that I should go there, and I should meet the students directly, so that they can give the,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, everyone have the I can say different type of experience their life. Yes.
Yes, yes. So what's going on in your life actually?
Yeah, I can say everything going good, nothing special. Yes.
Nowadays you are going regular practice, or you are also on and off like me?
Yes, actually I try to every day. But sometime from my side, sometime another people's side, there is a something we not
Happened.
connected. Yes, yes. Sometime happen.
Yes.
But I try
Okay,
to
okay.
every day. Yes.
But it is totally depend on the the things which comes in your mind. Like if you are happy, then you are really excited to do all the things in a very calm way and in a very
Yes,
proper
yes.
appropriate way. It depends on the house atmosphere
Yes,
and
yes.
the things which
Definitely.
is going around. Okay,
Yes.
so whenever if we are married and we have some incidents in the house, like a husband and wife, their relation is like cat and dog, or we can say mouse and rat and cat. Okay, so these are the things which comes, and we have to face all the things. And once the children has grown up, and they have their own perception, they have their own thoughts, and little bit things which occurs, and yes, it creates difficulty for your
Yes.
personal journey. I
Yes,
observe
yes.
that whenever I feel good, and I have get good positive vibes from my house, that time I will see big changes in myself, that I have to do these things, that things, and I have so many plans. And I really asked from ChatGPT yesterday that I want to become I want to go there on this level in my post. So he suggested me few points, that you are already working on communication skills, and now you are eligible to talk with anyone. You can conduct anything easily, and now you have learned so many uh, different keys in HR. So now you have to learn few points, and he suggested me few points. Now I have to learn these things. But I have seen a few people's, they don't like if you are like going in a very good way, and you are doing very good at your job. So people try to criticize you. What happened with me, like I joined this company before a year ago. So what happened, they assigned me little bit work to me, and I was just doing XYZ departmental work. So there they my senior taught me a lesson, taught me that how to do that work. So he taught me the old version. Okay, he did not give me proper advanced thing. Okay, he did not teach me any advanced thing. So 7 month I spent, and I did old, like I can say, I did all the work in an old version. And like, yeah, last Saturday, I was talking with my colleague, last company colleague, and he was just discussing, and he asked me a few questions, that what have you learned in this company. Then I told each and everything, that I'm doing this, that. So he told me that you are doing this things which already stopped from everywhere. Like, we used to, like, he told me that he used to do this thing before 10 year ago. That thought
Like,
poured my heart, like,
okay, like
yes,
any software, yeah? You work any
yes.
software that is use
Now,
an, yes, yes,
okay, so I was working on a old thing, like
yes,
a
yes,
manual thing,
yes, yes,
and that was the advanced version. So my senior, didn't tell me that thing. So when I talked with my colleague, he told me that thing, but he did not tell me the procedure at the same time, because he was in hurry at that time and he was going somewhere. So he did not tell me each and everything, because and he is also pursuing very, like, he is very good, he is very good, on a good position in any good company. So he just give me a clue. Then I went to the YouTube, and and I searched the thing what he was telling me, and I tried to learn this thing. And in meanwhile I talked with my colleague, and I told him that why were you giving me this work in an old version? If we can do this thing in an advanced version, or like
yes, yes,
keys, so it will save our time. Then he said, oh madam, you can do this work in an old version now, because we don't have time, and I will teach you in another month. Then I said, I am wasting 16 hours for this task. If I'll apply advanced version, then I'll do this 16-hour work in 15 minutes.
yes, yes,
So it will be very good for me. Okay. So he said, you took a vow, and he was very angry on me on that day, on Saturday, and he didn't tell me. Then he said aggressively, okay, come on the team viewer, I'll tell you. Then I said okay, and I disconnected my phone. Then I went to the YouTube, and I learned how to like upload
yes,
this
yes,
thing and do this thing, so that I can save my time. And I tried a lot. 4 5 hours I wasted whenever I tried to do this thing, that thing. It was unsucceed, but yes, I tried a lot. I was doing silly mistake. Then I went to my colleague, nearby colleague. Then he told me that you are doing this thing, you can change this thing, and maybe it can be uploaded easily. Then I did that according to him. He was
yes,
belong to another department, and he helped me. Then, you know I did that work in 15 minutes. But
yes,
according to my colleague who is assigning me the work, according to him, I have to do one by one each and everything, because he was saying that mistake can be happen, ma'am. So you should not try advanced version, because you are very new at this thing. But I said, if you have a perfect data, you know and your data is correct, and first of all we have to focus on a perfect to make our perfect data. If you have perfect based data, that time mistake cannot make a space. Okay, not talking with me properly, and he think that like he said yesterday that you, like, I wanted to ask a query, that what can we do in this thing, if that it will happen. Then he said to me, in one day you want to become yourself as a Jhansi ki Rani." So I thought that he is not happy with me, because I want to make my work like a like, I don't want to do like a labor class work. I want to do all the work in an advanced, or uh, specific perfect version. Every work should be like, every whatever you are doing, you should consider the accuracy. You should take the consumable time also. So these are the thing. This is my target, to do the things. But he was not happy for that. but I am really happy because I was wasting 2 days for that work.
Yes.
That was only 15 minutes work.
But I think we can't change another people. We change only ourselves. That's,
Yes,
I think.
yes. These are the things which is happening with me right now. Like I am a little bit disturbed from my office
Yes.
because no one want to teach anything to others. If you will
Yes.
teach
Yes.
anything to other, your work will easy.
Yes. Yes.
Suppose you are doing something and
Right.
you have used already your mind, and you say in several years, like you have spent 15 years for this task. Suppose you are doing something, you are doing knitting, okay, and I'm just new for you, maybe, or I can do better for better than you. So, or I will definitely suggest the trick what I used. I'm not hiding anything, but he